Hi, so I'm going to show you how to use Evernote in Google Classroom to get your lesson instructions out to your students very easily. So Evernote's a text editor and it's available in a free version and the Plus and the Premium version. The basic version, you still get quite a lot of usage from it before you get your maximum uploads per month. Because as a text editor, 60 megabytes is actually quite a lot. So I'll just show you now how to do that. We'll get set up. Okay, so on the Evernote website, which is evernote.com, you go into the right hand menu there and you hit the download Evernote button. Okay, so it downloads very easily onto your desktop where you get the installer and install the application. Okay, so once you've got Evernote open for the first time, the documents area will be blank. So you've got your notebooks on the left here and individual notes. So I'm going to start on notebooks. So we want to create a new notebook and I'm just going to call this Evernote PD. Okay, so within that notebook, if I open that, I can create a new note. So in this note, I'm also going to give it a name. So Evernote PD. Of course, this will perhaps be a link that you'll use to an individual class. So let's say it might be a 101 media class. So we've got the class name there and I'm just going to paste in a bit of information about the date, what the learning intention for the lesson is, and the success criteria. So it's a nice easy text document to work with. You can adjust the font, size of the font, add bullets, you can add tick boxes if you'd like, alignment, also record audio, images and attach files, PDFs, etc. in there. So once we've got our basic document set up, we can then go to the share menu. So this document is going to save in our Evernote and sync to all of the other Evernotes that we have on our other devices like our iPhones and Android phones and tablets. So we can access and add to these documents from those devices. So once we've set up our document, we just simply click on this right hand share button. And what we want to do is copy the public link. So if you copy that public link, I'll show you what we'll do next. Okay, so we're into our Chrome browser and I'm just going to paste that link into the address bar at the top, and when I hit the return on that, what it does is it actually opens a web version of that page. So this isn't the link in your computer, this is just the link that's out in the web. So this share link is very handy for you to be able to share information out to students. So I'll now show you how we'll go into Classroom and add this link simply. Okay, so from Google Chrome, from the browser we'll go to classroom.google.com, and once we're in our classroom you pick the class that you want to add the work to. So for this instance it's going to be the my Google development class. So I'm going to add a assignment. So if I click on the add assignment button, I'm just going to call it Evernote PD, and Evernote PD link to instructions, and I'm going to remove the time restraint from that, and what I'm going to do is simply click on the attach link button, and what it will do is allow me to paste the link in there. So what I'm doing is pasting that link in, and all I have to do is assign that. I'm going to give some instructions. So link to today's work. Okay, so that's assigned, so everything's ready to go. It's assigning the work out to the students. Okay, so what I've done is I've simply created a link from my Evernote documents out to the Google Classroom. So when the students are in Google Classroom and they click on that link, it's going to take them straight to that Evernote document. So if I can always keep that at the top, so move to the top. So as the instructions are added to or other assignments go into the classroom, you just move this to the top each time, and the students know that that's the link to the instruction, to the work that you're currently doing. Now I'll just show you in my Evernote how changes affect it. Great, so I'm back in my Evernote document, so I'm just going to add another lesson for another day. So I'm going to copy and paste another lesson in. We'll call this the 23rd. Okay, and I'm going to adjust to what my learning intentions and success criteria are for the lesson, and change each of the criteria in here. So once I've done that, the document will sync. There we go, that document's synced now, and I will go back to the Chrome browser, and the next time the student opens the link to the work, it automatically updates. So you don't have to do anything else except work in your text editor, and the link will always offer the student the latest work. Cool, I find this very helpful. I hope you do as well. Thanks very much.